In a survey of 16 cars, 24 use diesel, 20 use liquid hydrogen, and 22 use electricity as fuel. No cars use all three fuels, and 14 cars use both diesel and electricity. There are 8 cars which use diesel only, 15 cars which use liquid hydrogen only, and 6 cars which use electricity only. And we have a Venn diagram which is displaying all this information. Total number of cars is 60, so I know that this total is 60. I have some blank spaces in this question which I need to fill out, because in the first part I have to use this information in order to find out the missing information. So I will just read the information again in order to understand this Venn diagram. I know that this 8 means these 8 cars only use diesel. So this is mentioned over here that 8 cars use diesel only. 6 cars are those cars which only use electricity. So this is the area which belong to electricity, and 15 are the cars which use liquid hydrogen. No cars use all three fuels. No cars means there is no car, so I will write 0 in this area, which represents to the three areas. This area is basically the intersection of the three areas. So 0 areas, 0 cars are there which are not using all the three fuels, so I will write 0 over here. And 14 cars use both diesel and electricity. Diesel and electricity, and this is 14. So this overlapping part should have a total of 14. So this is 0. So I will just automatically write 14 over here in order to fill this. So this is basically 0. Why I wrote 0? Because the information is mentioned over here said no such cars use all three fuels. So I wrote 0 because this area belongs to the intersection of the three fuels. And there are 14 cars who use both diesel and electricity. So this is the area which is common between diesel and electricity, and 14 cars are there, so this area must have a total of 14 since 0 is there. So I just directly wrote 14 in the upper missing space. So the next type of information is that 25 use diesel. 25 cars use diesel means this total circle should have numbers that would add up to 25. So 8 and 14 and 0 and this number when added should give me an answer of 25. This because this is mentioned in the question. So 8 and 14 is basically 22. 8 and 14 is basically 22. 8 and 14 is basically 22, and 22, and since there are 25 cars, so what will I do? I will just subtract 25 and 23 to get this 3, because I know that total circle has 25, and this 18 and 40, this 8 and 14, 22, 22 plus 0 is 22, and 23 plus 3 is 25. So this is basically 3. And now moving on to the electricity. Electricity is basically 22 cars are using electricity, so this circle will also be a sum of 22. 14 and 6 is 20, so this will be 2, because this total is 22. 14 plus 6 is 20, and 20 plus 2 will equals to 22, and this is mentioned in the question that 22 use electricity, so just I subtracted 22 and 20 to get 2. And the last number is this. The question says that there are 60 cars in all. So what will I do? I will just add all these. 18, 14 and 6 is 20, 28, 30, 33, 33 and 10, 43, 43 and 5 is 48, and since the total is 60, 60 minus 48 will give me an answer of 12. So 12 are the cars who do not use diesel, electricity and liquid hydrogen as fuel. So this was basically the first part in which I have to fill these 5 blanks by using the information above, and then in the second part I have to find the number of cars which use diesel but not electricity. find the number of cars which use diesel but not electricity means I have to exclude this. This is total diesel, and this is basically the number of cars which use diesel and electricity, and this is mentioned in the question that not electricity. So I will remove this part and these two numbers will remain in diesel. 8 plus 3 is equals to 11. So I will write 8 plus 3, that is equals to 11. So 11 is the number of cars which use diesel only. Which use diesel. I cannot say only because this 3 is the number of cars which use diesel and liquid hydrogen. So 11 is the car which use diesel but not electricity. And the final part is that I have to find number of cars belong to this set. What is this set? Basically this is D complement intersection E union L. So for this type of question I will recommend you to draw a Venn diagram first and then identify the region and just add the numbers which lie on that region. For example, if I want to draw a Venn diagram, I will first have to create a Venn diagram of D complement and a Venn diagram of E union L. And then since the operation in these two is intersection, so I will search a common shaded part between these two diagrams, and then I will see which numbers lie in that common shaded part and I will just add them. So here I have drawn the Venn diagram of D complement. D complement means I have to shade everything other than D. Since I have a complement, so I have to draw a rectangle first. Since I have 3 sets, so I will draw 3 overlapping circles, and then I have to shade D complement means other than D. I will not shade D and I will shade the rest. And then I have to draw the Venn diagram of E union L. This is E, so I shaded E completely, and this is L, so I shaded L completely because it is union. And now I will search for the common shaded part between these two diagrams. This is not the common shaded part because it has been shaded in this and it has not been shaded in this. This is the common part. This is basically the common part. This is the common part which is shaded in both the diagrams, and this is the common part which is shaded in both the diagrams. So 1, 2 and 3 I have drawn the shading in the here. This is the common shaded, this is the common shaded, and this is the common shaded, these 3 areas. So what will I do? I will just add these 3 numbers, 15 plus 2 plus 16, 6, which will give me an answer of 15 plus 2 is 17 and 17 6 23. So this is basically another question on word problems on set Venn diagrams, and we just have to understand the Venn diagram very carefully and just interpret the information which is given to find out the missing numbers, and then use the information in the Venn diagram to answer the questions which are below.